Pay close attention, because what we're about to discuss is something many people overlook as they age. Have you noticed your energy levels feeling lower than they used to? Do everyday activities, like climbing stairs or getting out of bed, feel more demanding than before? These changes are often dismissed as normal aging, but in many cases, they are early indicators of gradual muscle loss. According to the American Geriatric Society, more than 30% of adults over the age of 60 experience sarcopenia, a condition characterized by the progressive decline of muscle mass and strength. Left unaddressed, this process can affect balance, mobility, and overall independence. What's less commonly discussed is that daily lifestyle choices, including nutrition, play a meaningful role in how well muscles are maintained over time. Many people are unaware that certain dietary patterns may fail to support muscle health as effectively as they could. Research shows that reduced muscle strength is associated with a higher risk of falls, slower recovery, and long-term health challenges. Maintaining muscle is not only about physical strength, it also supports metabolic health, mobility, and quality of life as we age. That's why in this video, we'll explore specific fruits that research suggests can support muscle function as part of a balanced diet. This is not medical advice, but evidence-based nutritional information designed to help you make informed choices. Let's start with the first fruit. Fruit number 1, prunes. Prunes are often associated with digestive health, but they also contain nutrients relevant to muscle function. One of their key components is potassium, a mineral involved in nerve signaling and normal muscle contraction. According to USDA data, 100 grams of prunes provide approximately 732 milligrams of potassium. Adequate potassium intake supports normal muscle performance and may help reduce muscle fatigue when combined with an overall healthy diet and lifestyle. Anti-inflammatory support. Prunes contain phenolic compounds, naturally occurring antioxidants that are associated with lower levels of chronic inflammation. Since low-grade inflammation is commonly linked to age-related muscle decline, these compounds may help support long-term muscle function as we get older. Bone and mobility support. Prunes are also a natural source of vitamin K, a nutrient involved in maintaining normal bone density. Stronger bones play an important role in stability and balance, especially for adults over 50 who may be more vulnerable to falls. How much is enough? Research discussed by Tufts University suggests that adequate potassium intake is associated with a lower risk of muscle weakness in older adults. Practically speaking, just 3 to 4 prunes per day, about 25 to 30 grams, can fit easily into a balanced diet without excess sugar or calories. Simple preparation tip. For a gentle addition to your routine, prunes can be soaked overnight in filtered water. In the morning, consuming both the fruit and the soaking liquid may support digestion, which naturally slows with age. Fruit number 2, red grapes. Next is a familiar fruit with impressive nutritional value, red grapes. Beyond their sweetness, they contain resveratrol, a plant compound studied for its role in supporting muscle cells against oxidative stress. Resveratrol is also associated with healthy circulation, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to muscle tissue, particularly after physical activity. In addition, the skins of red grapes contain flavonoids, plant compounds linked to reduced inflammatory markers in older adults. According to data referenced by the National Institutes of Health, regularly consuming about 1 cup, 200 grams of red grapes may help support antioxidant defenses and slow age-related muscle decline. Healthy mitochondria, your cell's energy centers, are essential for stamina and daily movement, and resveratrol has been studied for its supportive role in this process. Practical tips for better absorption. When choosing red grapes, varieties with thicker skins tend to contain higher levels of naturally occurring flavonoids and antioxidants. These compounds are commonly studied for their role in supporting muscle health as we age. Grape seeds are also notable for their resveratrol content. Chewing them allows your body to access more of these plant compounds, which are associated with cellular protection and healthy circulation. For better nutrient absorption, red grapes can be paired with foods that contain healthy fats and protein. A simple salad with walnuts and a small amount of goat cheese may help your body utilize these compounds more efficiently as part of a balanced diet. If you find this information useful and relevant, feel free to let us know in the comments. Your feedback helps shape future topics here at Health and Longevity Hub. If you'd like to receive more evidence-based nutrition insights, you can also subscribe and enable notifications at any time. Next, padron peppers. Another food worth mentioning is the padron pepper, a small green pepper often enjoyed as a light dish. Beyond its flavor, it provides nutrients that support circulation and normal muscle function. Padron peppers naturally contain vitamin C and capsaicin. Capsaicin is studied for its association with improved blood flow, which supports the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to muscle tissue after physical activity. According to publicly available FDA data, 100 grams of padron peppers can provide over 100 milligrams of vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a role in collagen production, which is important for maintaining muscle structure and flexibility over time. A simple way to include them is by lightly sautéing 5 to 6 peppers in extra virgin olive oil a few times per week. This method preserves flavor while fitting easily into a balanced, muscle-supportive eating pattern. To prepare padron peppers in a nutrient-conscious way, they can be lightly sautéed in extra virgin olive oil. Beyond flavor, olive oil provides healthy fats that support the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients naturally present in vegetables. For additional balance, a small pinch of turmeric may be added during cooking. Turmeric contains curcumin, a plant compound commonly studied for its association with managing low-grade inflammation. Combined with the mild heat of padron peppers, this preparation fits well within a Mediterranean-style eating pattern often linked to long-term mobility and muscle comfort. Despite their small size, padron peppers can be a practical addition to meals for adults looking to support circulation and everyday muscle function through diet. Fruit number 4. Arbutus berries, madrone berries. Moving beyond cultivated produce, arbutus berries, also known as madrone berries, are lesser-known fruits found in forested regions. These red berries contain tannins, flavonoids, and vitamin C, nutrients commonly associated with antioxidant support. According to USDA-referenced data, 100 grams of arbutus berries may provide a high amount of vitamin C compared to many commonly consumed fruits. Vitamin C plays a role in protecting cells from oxidative stress, which becomes more relevant with age. They can be enjoyed in small amounts, 4 to 5 berries per day, or blended into unsweetened yogurt with a touch of ginger as part of a balanced post-activity snack. Fruit number 5. Yellow kiwi. At first glance, yellow kiwi may appear delicate, but nutritionally it offers notable advantages. Compared to green kiwi varieties, yellow kiwi naturally contains higher levels of vitamin C, a nutrient involved in normal muscle maintenance and protein utilization. Vitamin C plays a role in supporting muscle tissue by contributing to collagen formation and helping the body manage oxidative stress. Adequate intake becomes increasingly important with age, as recovery and nutrient absorption can become less efficient. One distinguishing feature of yellow kiwi is its natural enzyme, actinidin. This enzyme supports the breakdown of dietary protein during digestion, helping the body make better use of the protein already present in meals. For older adults, efficient digestion is a key factor in maintaining muscle function over time. According to data referenced by the USDA, 100 grams of yellow kiwi provides approximately 160 milligrams of vitamin C, meeting a significant portion of the daily needs for adults over 50. Research also suggests that the antioxidants found in yellow kiwi are associated with lower oxidative stress in muscle tissue, which may support endurance and day-to-day mobility. A simple way to include yellow kiwi is to enjoy one serving in the morning or alongside a protein-containing meal, helping integrate its nutrients into a balanced, muscle-supportive diet. How to include yellow kiwi. A simple way to enjoy yellow kiwi is to eat one serving in the morning, when digestion tends to be more efficient. Pairing it with a small amount of healthy fats and natural carbohydrates, such as crushed walnuts and a drizzle of raw honey, can help create a balanced, nutrient-dense meal. This combination supports steady energy levels and helps the body utilize vitamin C and other naturally occurring compounds found in the fruit. Fruit number 6, loquats. The next fruit on the list may already be familiar to some people, as loquats are commonly grown in gardens and warmer climates. These golden orange fruits are valued for their potassium content, which supports normal muscle contraction, as well as fiber, which contributes to digestion and nutrient absorption. Loquats also contain carotenoids, plant compounds associated with protecting cells from oxidative stress. This becomes increasingly relevant with age, as oxidative stress is commonly linked to gradual declines in mobility and muscle comfort. One compound found naturally in loquats is ursolic acid, which has been studied for its association with maintaining muscle tissue in older adults. Research referenced by organizations such as the American Heart Association has explored its potential role in supporting strength and physical function as part of an overall balanced diet. Loquats can be enjoyed fresh, added to yogurt, or incorporated into light meals, making them an easy, seasonal option for those looking to support everyday mobility through nutrition. Regular consumption of loquats has been examined in nutritional research for its association with muscle maintenance in older adults. These fruits naturally provide potassium, which plays a role in normal muscle contraction and electrolyte balance, particularly after light physical activity such as walking. A typical serving of loquats, around 4 to 6 medium fruits, can be included as part of a balanced diet. This amount contributes potassium and fiber, which support digestion and everyday muscle comfort without making exaggerated health claims. Simple preparation idea. Loquats can be gently simmered with fresh lemon juice and a small amount of cinnamon. Adding a light drizzle of extra virgin olive oil before serving may help improve the absorption of carotenoids, plant compounds studied for their antioxidant properties. This preparation focuses on flavor, balance, and nutrient availability rather than quick fixes. Fruit number 7, wild blackberries. Wild blackberries may appear modest, but nutritionally they offer a rich profile of naturally occurring compounds. They contain anthocyanins, vitamin C, and manganese, nutrients commonly studied for their role in supporting muscle tissue and protecting cells from oxidative stress. As part of a varied diet, wild blackberries are often associated with antioxidant support and healthy circulation, both of which become increasingly relevant with age. Rather than acting as a cure or treatment, they serve as a simple, accessible way to add protective plant nutrients to daily meals. They can be enjoyed fresh, added to yogurt or oats, or blended into smoothies as a practical option for supporting overall mobility and muscle comfort over time. Research discussed by organizations such as the National Institute on Aging has explored the relationship between berry consumption and muscle health in older adults. Wild blackberries, in particular, contain anthocyanins, vitamin C, and manganese, nutrients commonly studied for their role in supporting muscle tissue and protecting cells from oxidative stress. These compounds are also associated with healthy circulation and cellular function, which may contribute to better coordination and everyday mobility as people age. Rather than offering guarantees, wild blackberries can be viewed as a supportive addition to a balanced diet that prioritizes long-term wellness. Simple recovery smoothie idea. Wild blackberries can be blended with baby spinach and a small amount of flaxseed oil to create a nutrient-dense smoothie. This combination provides antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats that support both muscle comfort and overall energy after light physical activity, such as walking. As with all foods discussed in this video, these fruits are not treatments or cures. They are practical, whole food options that can support healthy aging when included consistently as part of a varied diet. If this topic resonates with you, or you've noticed changes in strength over time, you're not alone. At Health and Longevity Hub, the goal is to share evidence-based information that helps you make informed choices. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, and join us if you'd like more reliable nutrition insights focused on aging well. The fruits we discussed today are not treatments or cures. They are simple, whole food choices that can support muscle health, energy, and long-term independence when included as part of a balanced lifestyle. If this video gave you even one useful idea, you can show your support by liking it. Sharing it with someone who may benefit is another easy way to spread practical, evidence-based information. If you're interested in learning more about nutrition and habits that support healthy aging, consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thank you for spending your time here with Health and Longevity Hub. Our goal is to help you stay informed, active, and confident in the choices you make for your health. I'll see you in the next video.